Hi there, Ranish Partition Manager. I use it for all my MBR disks and multi-boot USB drives as well. It is a DOS program and cannot be installed on Windows above XP, not even with DOSBox. Let's install. Ranish homepage. Download the 2.44 version. Unzip. Go to the folder and tap Part 244exe. Won't run on Windows 10. Runs on Windows XP but asks for a floppy. Ain't got no floppy anymore. The solution is to create a DOS USB drive. Rufus. FreeDOS. Create. Done. Copy over the Part 244exe file to the USB drive H. Reboot. BIOS boot menu. Choose SanDisk. Here we are. Version. Deal. Type Part 244exe. Here is Ranish. Tap Master Boot Record. Change MBR executable code from unknown IPL, which is DOS, to text 25x80 advanced. However, it will revert to compact as I cannot now add a boot manager to the line below partition 1. Have to shrink the partition to create space for it. Tap F5. This is the 1TB Hitachi drive. Advanced Ranish is already installed in the MBR with text 25x80 and boot manager on line 6. Tap F5 for the next disk, the 0.5 TB Maxter drive, also with advanced Ranish boot manager already installed. Tap F5 again for the 2 TB GPT disk. Just proceed anyway. Back to the USB stick. Exit. Gparted in Linux. Resize. Add 5 megabits following. Resize. Apply. Shrinking. Done. Reboot. Have rebooted the USB stick. Ranish. Change from compact to advanced text 25x80, which now will be remembered after adding boot manager to the 7 MB free space on line 3. Tap F2 to save. Reboot. BIOS. SanDisk. My preferred Ranish boot menu showing all the partitions. That's it. And thank you for watching.